Special greetings, my dear students. Today, once again, I am going to revise the chapter this input and output. Okay, this is your second chapter. We are going to study about hardware. Okay, you are going to study about hardware, full and full hardware. We are going to study. In this, what is the input and what are the output hardware devices we are going to learn. Okay, we are going to learn. Just once today we will revise this chapter. Okay, today once we will revise this chapter again. First, we are going to learn about the input devices. We are going to learn about the input devices. What are the input devices? Keyboard. Okay, keyboard is the input device. So first of all, in a last class, I given you one homework to you. Means I told you very clearly, no need to write in a fair copy or no need to make an assignment. In keyboard, why keys are in this order: Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. Why keys are in this order? Why the person who developed the keyboard, he don't know ABCD or what? He don't know ABCD or till Z. Why alphabets are in a means in random wise? What is the reason? I asked you this question. Now the reason is what? If you are going near to any computer, if you start typing, okay, you will find one by one letter A, S, B, like that. You will find one by one letter while typing. Correct? Like this only we are typing while beginning stage. After, when we are having experience, we are typing very fastly. The thing is what? When they introduced the keyboard in order, okay, like this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like when they introduced the keyboard in this order, the person who don't know the typewriting, they also started to type very fastly. Okay, per second. Okay, one per second. In a 1 second, 7 to 8 key pressing will be there. 7 to 8 times we will press the keys. So what will happen? The typewriting machines will get repaired. I am not talking about the current era, old era. Okay. So when we are pressing 1, means per second, when you are pressing 2 or 3 keys, okay. But per second when you are pressing 7 to 8 keys in the time, so means this is a paper. When we are pressing one letter, one arrow will punch here. So in a second 8 arrow will punch. So what will happen? The keys will get repaired. Okay, the keys will get repaired. That is the reason. If you are keeping like this, the person who don't know the typewriting also, the person who don't know the typing also, they started to type very fastly. So to resolve this problem, companies, they introduced a keyboard like this. So now the person who is expert in typing also, they cannot able to type in a very fast. Okay, the person who is expert in typing also, even they also cannot able to type fastly. So that is the reason they kept keys like this. And why we are telling it is a QWERTY key? The keyboard starts with alphabet Q, W, E, R, T, Y. That is the reason we are telling QWERTY key. Okay. After, next, mouse. Mouse is a pointing device, and mainly there are 3 type of mouse. And scanner, there are several types of scanner. Let's see one by one. In a keyboard, you should remember always there are 104 keys in a standard keyboard. Okay, in a standard keyboard there is 104 keys. And some places you may see there will be a small keyboard, there will be a large keyboard, especially Chinese keyboard. Based on that, the number of keys may increase or decrease, but thing is, reality is what? Standard and normal keyboard has a 104 keys. Okay, and when, if you see this keyboard, we can able to tell the types of keys. Typing key, first one. Typing key is what? This is. Okay, so this all will come in a typing key. Okay, this all will come in a typing keys. I will change the color. Okay, this all will come in a typing key. Next one, control key. What are the control keys? So this control, Windows, Alt, spacebar, after Shift, Tab, this all will come in a control keys because it holds some functions. That's why we are telling it is the control keys. After navigation keys. So this is the navigation keys, arrow. Okay, these are the navigation key, and here also navigation you can able to see. When we will press the number lock, okay, we can able to use this keys, navigation also. After function keys, so these all are the function keys. These all are the function keys, and numeric keys, this is the numeric keys. Okay, these are the types of keys available in a keyboard. Okay, these are the types of keys available in a keyboard. Next, mouse. When we talk about the mouse, there are three type of mouse: mechanical, optical, optomechanical. Mechanical mouse have a one ball. It touches a ground surface. While we are moving the mouse, this ball will rotate. On this ball, four wall will be there. Based on the rotation in monitor, our mouse cursor will move. Okay, based on this rotation. And next one is the optical sensor. This is a sensor, and this one is a combination of both. Means ball also will be there, sensor also will be there. This one they introduced first, and this one they introduced second, and this one they introduced third. Okay, now let's see with proper image. Mechanical mouse. Now we can able to see the ball. Okay, wait. I don't know what happened. Wait a minute. So this is a ball. Okay, in this ball a little bit surface touches a ground. So this area, little bit area, it touches what? Ground. So what is happening now? When we are moving the mouse, so here four walls are there. You can able to see the wall. Here you can able to see the wall. So if you are dragging mouse this side, it will touch this wall. If you are moving this side, if you are moving this side, it will touch this area. If you are moving this side, means based on this touching in our monitor, our mouse cursor will move here and there. Okay, this is a mechanical first mouse they introduced. Next one, optical. This one is the latest tech we are using now. This light is a sensor. Based on this light movement in our monitor, mouse cursor is moving. And this is the second technology. After optical, what they introduced, ball will be there. On this ball, light sensor will be there. So based on this ball movement, this light sensor will get recognized. Based on this sensor recognize, it will move. Okay, based on this sensor recognize, mouse cursor will move. So this is the optomechanical. These are the three types of mouse we can normally using. Next we can go for the scanner. Actually, scanner is an input device. Scanner is an input device. It is used to scan the hard copy, and it converts a hard copy into soft copy. You can store it in your computer. There are normally everywhere you can able to see this scanner, drum and handle, flat belt scanner, and remaining things only few places we can able to see. First one, drum scanner. In drum scanner, there will be a glass of drum. This is a drum, and it is very effective and it is costlier. Okay, mostly the Photoshop or marriage album shops are there now. When they're taking photos and all, in that place you can able to see, because photo clarity will be more. Books, magazine, news, this all things we are using this type of printer. Next, flatbed scanner. Why we are calling this is a flatbed scanner? Because this size is like a bed. Okay, this size is like a bed. So based on its size, we are telling it is a flatbed scanner. And here drum scanner used photo multiplier technology, means PMT tubes. So okay, this drum scanner used PMT, and this flatbed uses CCD, charged coupled device. Okay, this technology we are using here. At last is a handheld. The reason for handheld is this is a scanner we can hold by our hand. Okay, this is a scanner we can hold by our hand, and it is portable. And my dear, no need to learn everything, just understand the basic concepts. Okay, understand the basic concept. After OCR, optical character reader, actually in computer we made a one program. There are, you are knowing well, there are 26 alphabet. In this 26 alphabet, if F is there, according to the computer we made a program. This F is a consist of line, one vertical and two parallel line, so equal to F. Example, in a paper, if there is a frog, when we are scanning, this F is there, computer will convert this F into like this. Okay, after like this, so it will add, and here is a, this is a paper, this is a image, this image it will convert into the text. That's the main thing. So each letter having a formula in OCR, optical character reader. If here is a means what? A formula is one slope, one horizontal plus another slope. This is a formula of A. In a Google Play Store also you can able to see this OCR. Just download OCR, take your mobile, go near to your book and just scan. When you are scanning, what are the text you are scanning, it will convert in. When we are scanning this particular means, take in a Google Play Store, OCR is there, just you install, take your mobile, go near to book, just you scan. In whatever things you are scanning, it will convert into the text. It will not made a soft copy, it convert into a text. Just to copy paste everywhere. Okay, just you try once, but no need to force your father to give mobile. If you get the opportunity to use, that time you may use. Next, OMR, optical mark reader. This is a sheet you can able to see here. OMR, when you are going for the national level examination, they will give one sheet like this. There will be only option A, B, C, D, and they will give the question paper. You have to read the question. If C option is correct, you have to mark the C. You have to shade the C. Like this, 50 questions will be there. 50 questions, 30 questions will be there. So you have to shade. Here how it will, this scanner will work. It will count the value based on the absence of the shadow. Where we are marking, we done the program. So here this is the answer sheet. Okay, this is the original. Okay, this sheet we are keeping. If shadow is coming here, first is wrong. If there is no shadow, then it is correct. If shadow is exactly reaching here, then it is correct. Okay, so like this only this OMR machine is working. Okay, and you may have genius. Some people have doubt. If I mark two shadow, wrong. Okay. After MICR, magnetic ink character reader, actually whatever things letters are mentioned here, it was written in ink which was made up of iron oxide. Iron means what? It has a communicate with the magnet, correct? So when they are scanning by eyes, when you are seeing, you cannot able to see, but when you are using MICR, that time the magnetic wave, it will recognize the letter. Okay. These are the things just today I revised. Okay, my students, today up to now we seen. Next class onwards we may go to the another topic. Okay, thank you my students, thanks for watching, thank you.